Okay, here's after one layer of type bond fillets. It's a bit rough. I went ahead and sanded it, and now I'm going to fill in any holes. There's some holes there. Yeah, it needs some more sanding, doesn't it? I'm gonna fill the holes with all-purpose acrylic latex caulk plus silicone. I sanded this really well, removed all the old glue, and this is my new wedge. It's not 5 degrees, it's 3.5. So I think 3.5 is what my rotation was before on the AMA, because the AMA is attached to the mast box, and the mast blows the mast box forward. Okay, there's the result of it glued in. I thickened the Type Bond 3 with there they are, 2 different skimmers, brand new, have never been tested. The Dynaplane, and this is basically a mini motorboat, all basically, just miniaturized, but it's designed to hydroplane, and it has dead rise angle. It should be better at slicing through waves. We'll find out. Dynaplane skimmer. Looks like this. It has the angle in the front is around 18 degrees, and then it goes to totally flat. Then it goes back to negative. It goes back to positive, about 18 degrees or so. Now the interesting thing, I did a lot of research on the Dynaplane, and they said it didn't really in this design the angle of its incidence does not really matter as much because instead of just getting the ideal angle of incidence, they're trying to distribute the lift over a larger surface. So the lift is where the water is being deflected downward. That's what creates the upward lift. So that's that. I just have to epoxy the top of this, and then that will be done. And there it is, ready for testing. If this works really well, I could make a mirror image going the other direction and put a little gap between here and the other one going this way, and stick it on proa, a two-way proa, and have this on the leeward side of the boat, and it would provide dynamic lift. All right, here's the bottom view of the final of the Dynaplane skimmer attached to a small float. I already tested it once with a round disc, and it didn't work all that great, so I'm going to try this. I think it looks pretty cool. It is heavy. It's about 13 pounds, which means that it'll sink about 1/3 of its volume. In other words, if this is like 7 or 8 inches, it'll go up 1/3 already, just from its own weight. We'll find out if it works. Yeah, so it's only 4 foot long, but I'm thinking of making it 5 foot long instead. And this can be made out of a lighter material. 3 layers of 1/8 inch plywood could probably work a lot better.